Oh, let's see. It is Sunday, the 5th of January, 2025, and I'm in Columbia, Missouri. Highway 70's in front of me. We're just kind of looking through the windshield, and there is nobody on the highway. Two cars, one going each direction. The thing's basically shut down. Quiet. It's not bad here. I mean, you can see that the road, you can see bits and pieces of, clear spots. And they've done some plowing, but mostly it was early ice that really took out the streets. And I've got two-wheel drive in a truck with sandbags in the back, and I'm doing just fine, but I'm taking my time and I'm not being foolish. But right over there is Highway 70, and there's very little in the way of lights for what's going on over there. So, I'm going to stop talking. It is definitely a snowstorm. I went out to get some Chinese food because I started a conversation this morning when I woke up with a Chinese accent and goofing with a friend about crab Rangoon. And I just thought, I don't know why I did it. I don't know why I do half the stuff I do. But I just couldn't let go of the whole Chinese thing today. And come to find out, there's a couple of blood moons this year, and one of them is visible from Asia, and it may be a message to the Chinese. There's certainly a message to the Chinese in Isaiah 49, I believe it's 12, and they shall come from Sinim, which is the Sinosphere, the area of China. Look it up. It's not Aswan. It's not Egypt. For God's sake, it's not that. So many translational errors, and as far as I'm concerned, they're not errors, they're intentions to dissuade people, to confuse people. China is being called to Christ, without a doubt, and I'll put up my daughter's video on that. It's a little further back in here. It's a picture of a girl with ticker tape coming out of her mouth, a message coming out of her mouth, coded, and her finger points straight up to God. My daughter did the drawing, and she also did the tattoo on her arm of a China symbol. That message is for China. And when you look at it, the number 16 comes up an awful lot. The Chinese number 16 looks like a man and a cross. There's only one man associated with a cross, and that's Christ. HAYAHSU bar HAYAH, the Messiah, the anointed of HAYAH, at whose name HAYAH will be glorified. God bless and take care. Bye.
What do you got?
China symbol.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sun.
Yeah.
David and Goliath's heart.
And then what's the sun?
The sun has a squirrel. A swirly in it. Swirly means it's a shell sun.
A shell sun?
Yeah.
Is there a meaning to the shell sun?
It's a meaning for shell sun until it goes to heaven and it's gone.
Okay. Now here's my next question. Is your Kumon homework?
It's all 6.
It's what?
6.
It's all 6.
It's all 6.
It's
Hey,
all
Puppy.
6. So look at the screen. What number is that?
6.
How many dots are there?
Well, I need to get a little close.
You need to get up a little more? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So there's how many dots?
16.
And what's the number that you wrote?
6.
Why would you write 6 when there's 16 dots? Shouldn't it be 16?
Yeah, I'm going to write it 16.
No, I don't want you to write 16.
Oh.
I want you to tell me why you didn't write the right number. And why
I can't
there's so many of them.
Because I feel like I like 6s all the time. So I went 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
Yeah?
6.
That's an awful lot of 6s.
I'll count how many 6s.
So while Papa was busy, you filled out your Kumon homework with all... Okay, and you put tattoos on your arm, and you put black on your fingernails. Interesting. What?
What?
I don't know. I just don't know what to make of it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
See?
Okay, and what does each one mean?
He created, he died, he loved.
What was that again?
He created, he died, he loved.
And that's the message of the spiral, the cross with the circle, and the heart.
Yeah, and I made a very good heart because, look, it's like a stamp.
Wow. And then the cross?
It's very good. It's very good. It's very good. It's
And what's the
very
circle and the cross mean? The little circle inside the cross means?
It never starts and it never ends.